Hello friends, today we are going to continue chapter number 8 natural resources, lecture number 10. Friends, we are going to continue the same topic from the previous lecture. We discussed in the previous lecture about the soil formation, then we discussed about the different types of soil. Friends, we discussed that ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. This council is working for the agriculture in India. They do researches in India. They classified this soil into 8 different types of soil. We learned about alluvial soil and marshy and peaty soil in the previous lecture. We discussed about alluvial soil that is formed due to the alluvium deposition in the river valley along the banks of river. New alluvial deposit is known as Khadar. Old alluvial deposit is known as Bangar. We discussed that 43% of the land area of India has this alluvial soil. We also discussed that the content of nitrogen is less in this alluvial soil. We discussed that to increase the nitrogen content, we need to grow more and more pulses. If more and more pulses are grown, the nitrogen content can be increased. So, we also look that where this type of soil is seen. We saw that from the northern plain of Brahmaputra Valley in the east up to Satluj in the west. We also found that these soil are found in the delta region of Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri. Then we discussed about marshy and peaty soil. This type marshy and peaty soil was found in the areas where the climate is humid. We also discussed, friends, that here this type of soil is mostly submerged into the water during the rainy season. Here it is said, in this type of soil, the content of biotic elements and minerals are present in more amount. Here, friends, we also discussed that this type of soil is found in very limited area like Odisha, Uttarakhand, etc. Friends, now moving forwards towards another soil, that is red soil and mountain soil. Friend, today we are going to cover these two soils, that is the red soil and mountain soil. Friend, what is red soil? Here, as we discussed at the time of soil formation, that the soil can also be classified through its color. Here, this soil is classified from its color, red soil. Here, it is said the red soil is red in color due to the presence of ferric oxide. Because here, in this type of soil, the presence of ferric oxide is there. That is present due to the lava depositions. So, the red soil is red in color due to the presence of ferric oxide. It becomes yellow as one goes deep down into the soil. Here it is said that this type of soil is red in color due to the presence of ferric oxide. As you know, the parental rock are one kind of the parental rock of this type of red soil is metamorphic. Here, this type of soil has been obtained from the lava deposition as well. So, this red soil is red in color due to the presence of ferric oxide. It is on the top part. But here it is said, as one goes deep down, as we dig it more and go more below towards it, this soil color changes to yellow. It is said it becomes yellow in color as one goes deep down into the soil. The top portion of this soil, it is red in color due to the presence of ferric oxide. As you go more and more below the ground, the soil will change its color to yellow. This soil is spread from Tamil Nadu in the peninsular India. You all know, friends, we discussed in the 9th standard that the peninsular India, right? What is peninsular India? That is covered by the ocean from the three sides. So the soil is spread from the Tamil Nadu in the peninsular India up to Bundelkhand in the north. From south, Tamil Nadu, this red soil is seen that this soil is spread from Tamil Nadu, that is in the peninsular India, from there up to Bundelkhand in the north, means from south to north, and from Rajmahal Hills in the east. The Rajmahal Hills, that is in the east, from there up to the Kutch in the west, right? So red soil can also be seen in the different parts of India. Here the region that is shown, that is Tamil Nadu, that is in the peninsular India, from there up to Bundelkhand in the north, and from Rajmahal Hills in the east up to Kutch in the west. This type of red soil can be found. Then such soil is found in the districts of Udaipur, Chittorgarh, Dungarpur and Bhilwara. Friends, these are the regions where this type of red soil can be found. These red soil are found in the district of Udaipur, Chittorgarh, Dungarpur and Bhilwara. These are the regions where we can find this red soil. This soil is deficient in magnesium, phosphate, nitrogen and potash. That means, friends, this soil is deficient. Means they are having less amount of, they are lacking, we can say. This soil is lacking in magnesium, phosphate, nitrogen and potash, right? Then moreover, it also does not contain lime. It does not have lime in it, gravels, you can say small stones and carbonate. So this soil is also lacking lime, gravel and carbonate in it. Crops, so which type of crops can be grown? The crops like millet, cotton, wheat, ज्वार, linseed, अलसी बोलते हैं जिसको linseed, अलसी, groundnut, potato, etc. These are grown in this red soil. So if you will be asked in your map work from this crop that show the soil on which for example linseed can be grown, then you have to show the area where the red soil is present. Friends, now moving towards another soil, that is mountain soil. Friends, we discussed in the previous session that the mountain soil and the forest soil are such soil that are found in the mountainous region, but they are located at different altitude. The altitude is different. The layer of the mountain soil is very thin and is underdeveloped. Here it is said, the layer of this soil is very thin, so it is not very strong. The layer of this mountain soil is very thin and it is underdeveloped. It's not much developed, and that is why farming or agriculture is done in very large proportion in this mountain soil. So mountain soil is found in the valley and slopy region of Himalayas at an altitude of about 2700 to 3000 meter. Friends, here it is said that mountain soil is found in the valley and the slopy regions. valley and the slopy region of Himalayas. And at an altitude, ऊंचाई जिसको बोलते हैं, at an altitude of, what is the altitude? 2700 to 3000 meter. Means this type of mountain soil can be found at an altitude of 2700 to 3000 meter, and we can found this at the valley and the slopy region of Himalayas. This soil is found in Assam, Darjeeling, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir. Friends, these are the areas where this type of mountain soil can be found. Assam, Darjeeling, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir. These are the regions where we can find this mountain soil. This soil is found in the region of pine and tea tree in Himalayas. As friends, we learned in the 9th standard that pine and tea tree are the trees that grow in the colder region at a higher altitude, right? These pine and tea tree are grown at a higher altitude. So these soil, here we say this soil is found in the region of pine and tea tree in the Himalayas, and that is why we can say it is grown. These pine and tea tree are grown in the Himalayas, and so it is found at a higher altitude. Means this mountain soil is mostly seen in the parts of Himalayas. So friends, today we discussed about these two soil, red soil and mountain soil. Let us take a quick look. Red soil, it is red in color due to the presence of ferric oxide. It becomes yellow as we go down. The upper layer of the soil is red in color. As we go at the bottom of the soil, it becomes yellow. The color of the soil changes to yellow. About 19% area of India is covered with red soil. As we discussed in the alluvial soil, that 43% of Indian area is covered with alluvial soil. Same way, here 19% area of our India is covered with this red soil. This soil is spread where, in which region it is found? It is in Tamil Nadu, in the peninsular India, up to Bundelkhand in the north, and from Rajma Hills in the east up to Kutch in the west. The region where it is found, it is the district of Udaipur, Chittorgarh, Dungarpur and Bhilwara. This soil is having deficient, it lacking magnesium, phosphate, nitrogen and potash. It also lacks lime, gravel and carbonate. Friends, crops like millet, cotton, wheat, jowar, linseed, groundnut, potato, these type of crops are grown in this type of red soil. And mountain soil, the layer of this mountain soil is very thin. This type of soil is underdeveloped, so fertility is less. So for agriculture or farming, it is not used in more proportion. This mountain soil is found in the valley and the slopy region of Himalayas, and it is found at an altitude of 2700 to 3000 meters. It is found in Assam, Darjeeling, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir. This type of soil, mountain soil, is found in the areas where cedar and pine tree are grown in major amount. So this was the information about the red and the mountain soil. We will learn about the rest of the types of soil in the next lecture. Thank you.